Looking for the best microfiber drying pad that are actually worth your money? Today, I've picked the top 5 best microfiber drying pad that are available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and customer reviews. You can find the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started, starting with our first pick, Sminder Microfiber Drying Pad. Sminder 1200 GSM Twisted Loop Microfiber Car Drying Towels are designed to make vehicle drying faster, safer, and more efficient. Their exceptional absorbency, claimed at over 9 times their weight and up to a gallon of water, allows you to dry large areas with fewer passes, helping reduce water spots and streaks. The edgeless construction and soft microfiber surface are particularly appealing for detailers who want to minimize the risk of scratching or marring delicate paint finishes. Measuring 36 by 24 inches, each towel provides generous coverage while remaining versatile enough for household cleaning and outdoor use. Durability is another strong point, as the towels are machine washable and suitable for repeated low-temperature drying. Overall, these towels offer a practical combination of high absorbency, paint-safe performance, easy maintenance, and multi-purpose versatility, making them a worthwhile upgrade over conventional drying rags. Next up is Etherauto Microfiber Drying Pad. Etherauto's 1300 GSM dual-layer twisted loop microfiber drying towel is built for fast, efficient, and professional-level vehicle care. Its dense construction is designed to absorb water quickly, potentially reducing the number of passes needed to dry paint and glass while helping minimize streaks and water spots. The soft, edgeless design is a major advantage for delicate surfaces, including dark paint, matte wraps, and ceramic-coated vehicles, where avoiding swirls and micro-scratches is essential. Made from a durable 70/30 polyester polyamide blend, the towel is also designed to maintain its softness, shape, and absorbency through repeated low-temperature machine washes. Its oversized 24x36-inch format provides excellent coverage for large panels, while its versatility extends to wheels, windows, countertops, electronics, outdoor equipment, and more. Coming in at number 3 is Singren Microfiber Drying Pad. Singren's 1300 GSM Twisted Loop Microfiber Car Drying Towels offer an impressive combination of absorbency, size, softness, and convenience for efficient vehicle detailing. Designed to absorb water quickly on contact, the towels help reduce streaks and water spots while allowing you to dry large surfaces with fewer passes. The 24x36-inch XL size provides generous coverage for cars, trucks, and SUVs without becoming overly cumbersome, making it manageable for one-person use. With genuine 1300 GSM microfiber, the towels feel thick and plush while delivering strong water absorption and a soft touch against paintwork. The 2-pack adds practical flexibility, allowing separate towels for exterior and interior cleaning or keeping one as a backup. They're also machine washable for repeated use. Suitable for coated and uncoated vehicles alike, these lint-free towels are designed to be gentle on paint, glass, and chrome, making them a reliable choice for both enthusiasts and professional detailers. Now number 4, KKV Microfiber Drying Pad. These microfiber car drying towels combine effective water absorption, paint-safe performance, and practical everyday convenience, making them a useful addition to any car care routine. Their advanced twisted yarn microfiber construction is designed to soak up moisture efficiently while helping prevent streaks and water spots, leaving your vehicle looking clean and polished after washing. The soft PE edge design provides a gentle contact surface that is suitable for different paint finishes and detailing tasks, reducing concerns about scratches during drying. Measuring 24 by 35 inches, the towels offer a generous size for covering larger vehicle panels while remaining manageable for regular use. Maintenance is also straightforward, as they can be machine washed and dried at low temperatures for repeated use. A built-in hanging hook adds another thoughtful touch, making storage simple and keeping the towel easily accessible in a garage or utility area. And finally, our last pick is TTRCB Microfiber Drying Pad. This complete car wash kit offers a practical all-in-one solution for maintaining both the exterior and interior of your vehicle. The 24x36-inch 1300 GSM Twisted Loop Microfiber Drying Towel provides excellent water absorption and generous coverage, making it well suited for drying cars and larger SUVs with fewer passes while helping reduce streaks and water spots. The 16x16-inch microfiber cloth is a convenient choice for windows, mirrors, and smaller surfaces, while the soft, double-sided chenille wash mitt helps clean wheels, rims, wing mirrors, and difficult-to-reach areas. The edgeless microfiber design is gentle on paint and designed to minimize the risk of scratches during detailing. All components are machine washable and suitable for low-temperature drying, supporting repeated use and easy maintenance. So those were the top 5 best microfiber drying pad you can buy right now. If this video helped you make a better buying decision, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.